Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw on Friday, on Wednesday, market hitting new high, and further momentum is likely on that. U.S. market has shown positive trend in last 2 days and is up by around 0.5% from the market closed in India. Apart from that, Asian markets are also showing minor positive trend, and futures of the US market are also positive. If you talk about the SGX Nifty, that is up by almost around 80 basis point as compared to where we closed on Wednesday. So, and overall seems positive trend continuing, and we may see positive in the Indian market as well. Uh, I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Wednesday, we have seen a very good bounce back rally into the Nifty, which might took a Nifty above 19,000 level, but somehow it's maintained a closing nearby its 18,990 level, which gives some sort of a positive sign. Now, looking towards the Asian markets, we believe that our market is likely to open with a gap up opening. For the today intraday purpose, the immediate resistance is placed at 19,180 to 19,200 levels. If it's break that level, then this positive momentum is likely to be continued towards 19,240 to 19,350 levels on the high side. Whereas on low side, as of now, for today intraday purpose, 19,000 will act as a strong psychological support level. If it's break that level on the closing basis, then we are likely to witness a profit booking, which might take a Nifty down towards 18,800 to 18,700 levels on the downside. Now, coming towards the bank Nifty, it was a bank Nifty who has shown a first sign of a reversal in the last two trading sessions, and it surpasses 44,000 levels on the higher side. The upside likely to be continued towards 44,670 to 45,000 levels, whereas on a downside, the immediate support will be placed at 44,000. Below that level, 43,700 levels can be seen. The overall view on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty will remain a positive as long as both the indices trade in the pattern of the high tops and a high bottom and well placed above the mentioned support levels. Now coming towards the Fin Nifty, 19,970, 20,030 are the crucial resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. On the flip side, 19,830 and 19,750 are the two crucial support levels. Coming towards the stock specific, Intellex really looks very good on the technical front. This particular counter is well placed above all the important moving averages. And on the daily chart, if we look towards, it has given the breakout of the flag pattern. We believe that the stock is likely to continue with this uptrend towards 645 to 650 level. Currently, the stock is trading at 621. One can take a long position at the current market price as well, with the immediate stop loss of 605. Asian Paints also looks very good on the technical front. This particular counter is just trading in the high top, high bottom formations. The RSI showing a positive crossovers from the lower end. We believe that this positive momentum is likely to be carried forward towards 3450 levels. Means from here, 100 points momentum can be seen. So one can take a long positions at the current market price as well. 3345 level is the current market price. Stop loss can be kept at 3300 levels for immediate target of 3450. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as I said on Wednesday session also, that the market trend and overall data points from the derivative perspective seems to be very positive with a supportive base. While we have seen that at 19,000 strike on the July series, we are seeing that there is the highest call writer and put writer position. So in today's session, we are seeing that Nifty is likely to open around 150 to 200 point on the upper end. So we expect if today's closing come above 19,000 mark, then we might see major liquidation from the call writer portion at 19,000 strike on the monthly basis, which will get shifted on the upper end towards 19,300 to 400 level. The next resistance for the Nifty as per the OI position would be 19,300 level, and the supportive base would be 18,900 level. Once if Nifty goes below 18,900 level, then we might see some profit booking for next 2 to 3 trading sessions. So hold your long position. So overall strength seems to be positive from the data perspective. While PCRY closed at 1.41 level, it is also at the positive zone. We expect PCR to go on the upside towards 1.65 to 1.70 levels, while India VIX is continuously coming down and it closed at 10.89 in Wednesday session. We expect India VIX to remain in this range with a positive scenario taking place. While the sectoral basis, we are seeing that the metal, finance, and pharma counter has shown some major strength in a Wednesday session, and we expect the pharma and finance to show some more positivity. While from the pharma perspective, we are seeing that there was a strong buying which took the short covering positions and liquidating the Colorado position. So at the ATM strike, so we expect the pharma counter to show some more buying in today's trading session. Selective stocks for today's trading session on the positive front would be Sun Pharma, JSW Steel, L&T Finance, and L&T. This four counter looks positive, and we expect a fresh long positions to be initiated in today's trading session also. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. On ICICI Securities, there is an announcement that as part of acquisition, shareholders of ICICI Securities will get 67 equity shares of ICICI Bank for every 100 shares held by the in the company. A scheme thus is offering 2.2% premium over ICICI Securities Friday's close at 614 rupees. However, if we were to consider the initial announcement which happened on 22nd June, then the premium from that price is around 18%. So in anticipation of higher price, stock has already reacted positively. So from current levels, not much scope in terms of arbitrage. As on 31st March, ICICI Bank holds almost 75% stake in ICICI Securities. So it will be purchasing the remaining 25%. And acquisition is likely to be completed in the next 12 to 15 months after various regulatory approvals are taken. So this announcement is neutral for ICICI Securities. Thank you.
Good morning. Telecom subscriber data for the month of April has come in, and wherein Bharti Airtel has gained market share to 32.45% versus month-on-month of 32.42%. Jio has also gained market share to 37.9 versus 37.6. Vodafone lost market share to 20.45 versus 20.7. So this is positive for Airtel and Jio. Thank you.
Yeah. Apart from this, Tata Communication has acquired one company in the US market, which is into CPaaS. That is more of a communication of whatever the OTP and all what we get, and further diversified its business in telecommunication business. The acquisition cost is at around $250 million, and the revenue of the company is around $339 million. Company is incurring losses at EBITDA level at current point of time, but company expect to break even in near futures and likely to reach to double-digit margins in going forward in longer term. So CPaaS is a very fast-growing market, and it's growing at over 25% CAGR. And looking at the long-term growth opportunity, we feel that this acquisition will act as a positive in the long term. Though short term, it will have some negative impact because it is incurring losses, and the the amount which need to be paid will also have a interest cost on that. So near term in the financials for the current year may have a negative impact, but the long term perspective is positive for the company. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting pullback in commodities. So gold, one can expect prices to test 58, 300, 400. So for a pullback, one can buy around 57, 900 and maintain a stop loss of 57, 650. And silver also, the September contract is expected to test 70,200 to 500 levels. So buying with a stop loss of 68, 800 is recommended. And in crude oil, prices are expected to rise and test 5800 to 5850. So buying around 5720 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 5650. Natural gas, we are expecting rise in prices and expected to test 236 to 240 levels. So buying around 220 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 210. And in copper, prices are expected to open gap up, and we are expecting to prices to test 712 to 15. So buying with a stop loss of 702 is recommended. And in zinc also, if prices are sustaining above 212 levels, then we expect prices to test 215. So one can maintain a stop loss of 210. Now I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session, we are expecting range-bound movement in USD INR. One can initiate a long positions if you get levels of 82.09 to 82.07 levels. One can initiate a long positions with a stop loss of 81.97 levels for the target of 82.1 and 82.28 levels. In GBP INR, if you get any pullback around 103.83 to 103.90 levels, one can initiate a short positions. There is strict stop loss of 104.15 levels for the target of 103.45 and 103.25 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions around 89.20 to 89.10 range with a strict stop loss of 88.94, 88.89 levels for the target of 89.49 and 89.68 levels. Thank you.